Be careful ngemali. Be careful ngeinwele. I'm still repeating it. Be careful ukuthi udla kuphi nobani. Leyo kudla yona angaze ngayimention. Kodwa be careful ukuthi udla kuphi. Wena mzali ekhaya be careful ukuthi abantwana bakho badla kuphi. Uzumntana athi mama khona into engihleli la khona into engihleli la.
Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. My name is Sello. Please do make sure, of course, that you do subscribe, you like this video, guys. So Tshepi Show is back once again, also with a podcast, of course, giving us the dark reality of how people can bewitch you. And Tshepi Show is definitely leaving no stone unturned. And this time he reveals how they can bewitch you. He says, be careful of your hair. Make sure that witches do not get hold of your hair. He also says that do not just eat anywhere, because it is also the #1 way that witches can bewitch you. He also warns, parents to make sure bana they did not eat anywhere, because those, according to him, are the places where they as witches would get us the most, you guys. So please do check out this video, engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below, like this video, do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.
Be careful ngemali. Be careful ngeinwele. I'm still repeating it. Be careful ukuthi udla kuphi nobani. Leyo kudla yona angaze ngayimention. Kodwa be careful ukuthi udla kuphi. Wena mzali ekhaya be careful ukuthi abantwana bakho badla kuphi. Uzumntana athi mama khona into engihleli la khona into engihleli la kanti kunaseka faka idliso. Ayokhula nalo idliso ayokhula na. Be careful bazali, ibani careful ebantwaneni leni. Ungavuma umntana ukuthi adle nanoma ukuphi. Because la ngaphandle asithandani. Noma ungamthemba kanjani umthabiseke. Kodwa ebantwaneni bakamusala uthakathi bakakwale. Be careful bomama.
Tshepi Show, you mentioned indawo zethu la sishibiza khona endaweni zomjive nani ukuthi look, in these things that are happening lapho chithwa igazi, in most cases abantu, the owners of those shippings, taverns and whatnot, but well, so I do not know ukuthi mhlambe our viewers bakuzwile kahle lokho ukuthi ibafethu siyaye endaweni siyobloma. But if you are in a particular place where you know ukuthi esikhathini esiningi kuba nengqoshungqoshu
Hlezi kuliwa kuyafiwa.
bufa abantu,
Basuke bethwele. Ukuthwala kwabo lento le bathwele ngayo isuke ifuna igazi. It be non operate igazi lingachithekanga. Angeke izigcwale igazi lingachithekanga. Ukuganda umuntu nje kancane sekuyifight enkulu. Niyakwazana, niyadubulana, ufela khona lapho. Ngento encane nje. Suke leya nto leya manje isifuna igazi. Isifuna ukuthi iyophuza igazi. Ishibhi niqhubeke phambili. Wena hayi, he kumnandi kamama uyangichaza. Kumnandi awazi ukuthi nezibhoko sijiva nosathumela thina kwesephesi. Umbona ugayi uhandsome. Ladies.
akusumuntu
Kanti akusumuntu lady uyozithola lesigayeni akazi ukuthi ulele kanje. Ngithathile isiboko sami lahlela le. Tshepi ubenefitile leso sikhathi.